Okay. So at last lecture, what the things we covered? Can anyone let me know? Yes. Where were we?
Types of operator.
Okay, types of operator. So which operator we covered basically in the last session? Which were they? Anyone? Lecture 8. Anyone? Please let me know. Which were the operators we covered in the last session? Simple question I'm asking.
Unary,
Hmm. And
arithmetic,
arithmetic.
bitwise.
Okay, operator, arithmetic, unary, arithmetic, unary. Okay. So yeah. So as promised, we have done with the two operators. Okay. We have seen the two different types of operators. So we will be continuing as there are a lot many different types of operators in Java. We will be seeing today. We will be seeing today. First, I will start here with assignment operators. So let me write it at assignment.java. Okay. Let me zoom it so it will be clear to you. I hope my screen is visible to all. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is it? Yeah, good. So see assignment operator. Very simple operator are they? As we have seen arithmetic for performing mathematical calculation, plus, minus, division, addition, whatever can call it, but simple mathematical operation. Then we saw unary operator in which we cover your increment, decrement, as well as we cover bitwise. What was bitwise? I taken time to explain with the example. Was a very good example. So we've seen different bitwise operator. How we can they use? In there was a not how to use it properly. All things we covered. So today we will start with the assignment operator. The name itself suggests assignment. What does task means? Assign. Assignment. Okay, assignment. In colleges, what need to be submitted as a submission assignment. Okay. What is the assignment? See, the assignment operator. Okay. I will be telling as well as writing for you what I am telling. The assignment operators are used to assign value. The assignment operator are used to assign a value. Simple thing writing to the variable. To the variable. So basically we are dealing with Java. So in Java what happens? We can in Java we can use many assignment operators. Many means there are different types of assignments. So I'm writing many assignment operators. So which are those operators? We will be seeing one by one. No need to worry. So let me start with the first. That is your. I don't know what will be its name. Just remember plus equal to. What is the use of this operator? Plus equal to. See why we use this plus equal to. Simple thing. This is an assignment operator. Remember one thing. This is an this is an assignment operator. This is an assignment operator is used to which is used to add. You can see there addition sign is there as well as equal to sign is there. So what we'll be doing is used to add the it is used to add the which operand left operand. And anyone let me know what do you mean by operand as I have teach you. What do you mean by operand? Yes, anyone? What do you mean by operand? Yeah, anyone? What do you mean by operand?
On which the operations are being performed.
Very absolutely correct. And operand means basically thing on which we are performing the operations. Okay, and operators means this is your operator. You can say this is your operator. Okay, a very good definition when someone says very good. So see, the assignment operator is to add the left operand with whom? With the right operand. A simple thing I have written for you, not any big deal. A simple line. Okay, and then what it is doing after it, what the thing it is doing, it is assigning means it is equal to sign, which is you can see plus equal to assigning it to a variable, it to a variable on the left, on the left. A very good thing I have written. Just I'm again repeating, I'm reading for you again. The assignment operator is used to add the left operand with the right operand, and then assign it to a variable on the left. So let me create a class so we can see with the example. Public class. What is my file name? Assignment. Writing my file name as a class name. Public class assignment. After that, my main public static void main string args. Now let me take a very simple example so I can explain with this plus equal to thing. Okay, see here how we can use this plus equal to. A very simple example. Take int num, that is your number, as a 20, and write as I am writing num plus equal to 20. So what the thing is happening here? What the thing is actually happening here? See, num equal to num plus 20 as mentioned in the definition itself. As the thing is mentioned in the definition itself. Okay. Num will be doing num plus equal to 20 means it means that we are adding 20 again in the num. Okay. So see with the output. Let me print for you. So let me print num. Let me save it. Can you guess the output? What will be the output? Yeah.
40.
Yeah. Very good. So see the output. Yeah. Hope it is clear. First operator, which is what plus equal to. Is it clear now? Plus equal to. Hope to understand.
Yes.
Very good. To be a little bit interactive, so I will means I'm not wasting my time by changing my screen again and again. Okay. So next is minus equal to. Same thing. This thing, but what we are using here instead of addition, what we are doing subtraction. Copying the same thing for you. Minus equal to. See now the definition. What the thing I will be changing for you. Pasting it, making it proper. Okay. So the assignment operator is used to, instead of add I will write subtract. To subtract the left operand with the right operand and then assign it to a variable on the left. Same thing. If you don't believe on me, let's do the code. So let me do one thing. Okay, let it be, no worries. Let me copy and comment this part and let me write this code for you here. This time we are doing minus equal to, and let me take number as a 10 here and let me write minus equal to. Anyone, what will be the output now? What will be the output? Yeah,
Minus 10.
minus 10. So you can see minus 10. Why minus 10? So what is doing? Num. What is your num? 10. 10 minus 20 minus by 1 minus sign the greater number. You are subtracting with the greater number. So remember one thing. This concept seems to be easy now. This concept seems to be easy now. Okay, but we are when we are dealing with the for loop, while loop, where there at that time we get stuck. So the reason we get stuck, we don't have clear idea about it. Okay, we don't have clear idea. So this definition helps us to make it clear, as well as example gives us more clarity. Okay, remember this thing. So yeah, we will move further. As you can see, minus equal to same thing again. If you know minus, then you can also perform this thing. Is any big deal now? That is your into equal to. So what the thing will be happening? Let me copy. Same definition, okay? Same definition. If you want me to write the definition as well, let me copy this part. Let me copy this. Okay, just a minute. Let me copy this whole part and see what the thing I will be changing now. Just instead of minus, I will be doing it star. I will assigning asterisk sign to it, and I will be doing only one thing. Is used to what? Is used to multiply. Is used to multiply. Let me comment above part. A proper assigning is a very good thing. Okay. Okay. And what is the okay? Now it will be fine. Yeah. Now let me do here multiply again here multiply and here multiply. Instead of minus, now it will be doing the multiply thing. Let me save it and run it. Yeah, we got answer 200. Hope this point is also clear. And same thing again for what the thing is remaining now. Can anyone let me know? We have done with three. What do you think? What will be the fourth one? Yes, any guesses?
Division.
Yeah, division.
Division.
Very good, very good. It means you're paying attention. Very good. See, again repeating while teaching this part, it seems to be easy. Okay, but when dealing with questions, you need a practice. Go through it how many times you can. So see now, let me do changes simple. What I will be writing now here, divide. See, divide, and here changes, divide. Okay, I am good to save it and run it. Okay, here is remaining. Main thing is remaining. Okay, see the output. Yeah, it's working fine. Why the reason the zero is coming? Can anyone let me know? 10 divided by 20. Okay, we'll be getting a zero because we are using here int. We are using here int. Remember this part. Okay, many students get confused again. By in your early phase, it is good that you are getting some, means you are cross checking yourself. Okay, many simple errors occurs while learning new thing. Can anyone let me know? Is there any one more operator we have? I think we have one more operator. What is the name of that operator?
Modulo.
Very good. Modulo. Very important operator. Okay. When we're dealing with the even number, prime numbers, odd numbers, we use this sign. With this makes our task easy. Okay. There are lot many conditions. Okay. Okay. In future we'll be seeing some questions like reverse number. In this way, another question. There will be dealing with this part. Okay, I've made the changes. Let me save it and run it. So yeah, 10. Okay, it is providing us the reminder. I hope all this assignment operator is clear to now. All yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So now let me move ahead. Let me check how many of you understand properly. Okay, how many of you understand properly? Let me take one example. Through this example, I will be guessing how many of you understand all these things properly. Simple thing writing, not any hard. You know, in example, I am taking it equal to suppose 7, b equal to 18, and let me take c equal to 45. So I have taken my favorite cricketer jerseys number. If you watch cricket, you will come to know who are they. B star equal to 2, and I am writing c divide equal to let me write 9, and let me print it. I will be printing a. I will need to print both three things. Okay, and your task is to tell me and guess the output before I will be printing it. Please guess the output. You have how many time? 1 minute in your hand. Please guess the output. See the code in front of you. Yes, anyone with the output? Anyone?
A equal to 3, B equal to 36, and C equal to 5.
Okay. So a equal to what? Again, can you repeat? A equal to
3,
3. Okay. B equal to
36,
yeah. C equal to
5.
5. 5, na?
Yes,
So what is your name?
Ashwin.
Okay, let me check the Ashwini is right or not. Yeah, Ashwini, you are absolutely right. Okay, a simple thing, it is performing a minus equal to 4 means 4 minus, sorry, what is doing? Yeah, doing the minus thing, subtracting 7 minus 4. You can see here it says a value is 7. Okay, we are subtracting 4 from it, we are getting 3. Same here we are multiplying with 2, we getting 36, and dividing by 9 we getting 5. Very good, it means the concept is clear to you. That's the reason I taken the simple question. Okay, now let me comment this, and I need answer from now someone other. Okay, see int, and this question, go and search. You will be seeing this question in interview itself. MCQ questions, they are present. Such type of questions are asked. Okay, for the assignment operators. Now anyone with the output, only 30 seconds. Very simple thing.
0.
Yeah. Anyone with the reason? Why with the zero?
As we get the remainder, modulus gives us the remainder, so 18 divided by 2, we get the remainder as 0.
Okay, so remember, the way you have explained is a very correct way. Okay, if you explain this thing in the interview, basically what the students do, they only tell the answer zero. This is not a good way. Okay, whenever a question asks to you, please explain. If it is not asked to explain, then also explain. Okay, remember this thing. Very good. What was your name? Who explained now?
Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi. So first time who explained was the Ashwini. Okay, correct.
Yes.
Okay, Ashwini and Vaishnavi, you are really doing a very good thing. Okay. So next question, very simple question. I need a quick answer. How many types of assignment operator in Java?
5.
Simple question. Five. Five types. Huh? Remember this thing. Five types of assignment operator. So I hope when if you anyone asks you, you will be able to answer it. So let me now move with the next concept, that is your relational operators. So we have done with the assignment operators, and now we will start with the relational. By the name relational, what do you think? What will be the thing? What do you think? Just think. Don't need to worry. What do you mean by the relational operator? If you heard, what do you mean by the relational operator? Anyone? Okay. If you don't know, now see what is the relational operators. Again, relational. It will be showing some relation between two operands. If you want to name it the operand, either it will be two or more operands. See now the concept behind it. What is the reality of the relational operator? See. So let me write also for you. It will be good. So it are used. Okay. The relational. Let me write it proper way. The relational operator are used to check. The relational operator are used to check the relationship. The relationship between, again writing what I have told, between two operands. Between two operands. Okay. And these operands, sorry, operands, or I will write in this way, it will be good. This operator, I will write this operator is also called, there is one more name for a relational operator, that is your comparison. Okay, relational, it means you are something comparing. It means that you are comparing something. Okay, name is also comparison operator. Remember this point. It is also called as a comparison operator. So the reason we call it a comparison operator, because it is used to compare. What the compare between two operators? We compare something. We compare between them. Okay, that's why we also call it a comparison operator. So remember, the result of this operator is always result is always your boolean value. Your boolean value. Either it will be true or either it will be false. And this operator are used in which statement? This operator are basically use. This operator basically used in means most of the uses in your if statements as well as and loops. We will see in the future what is the if statement as well as loop. Just remember, if statement means condition. Either this will be happening or this. If I will go there, then this will be happening. If else. For loop means repetitive things. Same things again and again. I am in the loop. I am repeating. Repeating means whatever you do daily, that is your. Means suppose you are going into college, then doing your work, then going to do something activity, then again sleep. This is a routine. You are in a loop. Okay, in that way. So there are many types of relational operator. So we will be see one by one. First one, first one is a very simple. By the name you will see. First operator is the first relational operator is your which you are equal to. You are equal to operator. Operator. I hope equal to operator. We don't write equal to operator in this way. If you write this way, it means you are assigning a value. It means you are assigning a value. It means a equal to 10. Equal to operator means in this way. Why in this way? You will be getting idea through examples. Okay, and remember the operator is used to check. This operator is used to check whether the two operands are equal or not. Why we use this operator? To check if two operators are equal or not. Okay, if they are equal, it returns true. If the both operators are equal, they will be it will be returning true. Either if they are not equal, they will be it will be returning false. Okay, if you're not understanding with the definition, better clarity will be getting to the example. Let's move with the example. See, public class. What is my file name? Relational, no? Relational. In that my main method, I will be writing. Now let me take two variable. I will be initializing for you. Int equal to 10 and int b equal to 20. See, simple thing I am doing. This out. I will be doing a equal to b. Okay. So see the result. What will be the result now? So what I got the result? Anyone please read it. What is the result I got? What I got result?
False.
Yeah, the reason we got a false, as it is clearly mentioned, if you are dealing with a relational operator, the result will be either true, either false. In this case, 10 is not equal to 20. 10 is not equal to 20. So we are getting a answer as a false. If it is equal in this way, then you can see we will be getting answer as a true. We will be getting answer as a true. Simple thing. So yeah, moving with the next operator, and the next operator itself is your not equal to operator. Now what is this thing? Opposite of your equal to operator, not equal to. This is a basic way why we write exclamation mark, basically denote to your not and equal to. Okay, not equal to operator. And why we use not equal to operator? So opposite of equal to operator. We check when the two operators are not equal and it returns true. True, either it will be true or it returning one. One means true. One means true, zero means false. Remember this thing. And what thing you can remember about it? Let me take an example. This example itself. Let me copy this thing. Let me paste. Now see. Let me write here not equal. So now I will be running it. So I will be getting a false. Yes, you can see the output as a false. Simple concept behind it. Okay. Not equal to. It will be checking either it is equal to or not equal to. So these are the building blocks. When you are learning Java or any programming, these are the building blocks. Okay. Remember. If you are your base is perfect, then you can deal with any programming language, let it be. And if you are learning one programming language, learning other programming language is a simple task. And especially for the Java developers, other programming will be a very easy task to you, because Java covers majorly all the things. Remember this. So next we will be dealing with your greater, that is greater than equal to the operator. I hope by the name itself is clear. That is your this greater than equal to. Let me explain through the example itself. It will be good thing. So if I want to check that my a is greater than equal to b, only this thing, whatever you have learned up till now in your school as well as colleges, same thing, simple mathematical check. Yes, it is false because 10 is not greater than 20. If you want to make it 50, make it 50. This time you will be getting true because your a is greater than. And one thing remember, why we are using greater than equal to. If it is 20 also, we will be getting a true answer. Why? Because either it should be greater or equal. You can say I got output 20. Okay. I hope this is clear. Is this clear? Why we is greater than equal to? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. It seems to be easy. It seems to be easy. Again repeating. When we will be using this concept in a for loop, as well as your while loop, as well as do while loop, and let it be your switch statement, if else. So this all thing will be using to write your conditions or using your condition purpose. Okay, remember why this concept we are learning. So next is your less than equal to, less than equal to, simple thing. I hope I will be just writing down names. Okay, no need of code. By the name it will still it will be letting you know what the thing is exactly happening. And there is the same, we can only if you want to perform in this way you can perform, that is less than operator. Just use, if you want to don't deal with the equal to condition, just write this thing, no need to worry. Less than equal to operator or less than, same way for what, same way what for your greater than operator, greater than operator. Yeah, now I hope relational operator is clear to all and you will be trying these examples. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so can anyone let me know the result of a relational operator is always, what is the result of a relational operator always? What is the
Boolean value.
Boolean.
okay, okay. It means it is clear to you. Remember always, it will be either true or false. True means one, true represent one, and zero represent false. Remember this point also. So if I ask you how many minimum number of operands are required, how many minimum numbers of operands required to use relational operator in Java? Yes, anyone?
2.
2.
Two. Are you sure two? Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, you need to be sure. Okay, why I'm asking, are you sure? Because this is a general thing. Whenever you give answer quickly, means if you answer very speedily, so interviewer definitely will be going to. Are you sure? You need to be sure. If you're sure, okay, remember this thing. Proudly say yes because you are correct. So yeah, I can take one example. So okay, let me take this example. I think I have not covered this point. Let me take, no need to take. It will be a difficult thing for you if I take this. Okay, I can take this example. Let me take this example. This is also a question in the interview. See, simple question, not any big deal. See, example. In this, basically, what the thing is mentioned. After finishing my code, I need a quick speed output from you. Okay. See, I will be not giving time to think. Very simple thing I am writing here. Again, repeating why we use if. I have mentioned. I'm checking the condition, either this or either that thing. I know I have not covered this part, but I have given you the simple idea. Okay.
So output would be yes.
Okay. Someone answer quickly. Very good. Let me check. Even I don't know what I have written. Okay. So someone said output will be yes. Let me run it. Okay. Can you explain why yes? Yes. Anyone?
because A is not equals to B and the condition of if is satisfied, so it will print the if statement.
Yeah, very simple reason and very simple what we can say explanation for it. So in this way you need to explain. Okay, such type of questions are asked in your computer fundamentals section as well as technical test. Okay, remember this thing in this format only. Just the thing is, the issue is that you are only given 30 seconds or around 1 minute for each question. Okay, so yeah, good. So let me comment and we will be moving with the next operator, that is your logical operator. We'll be taking this and we'll be stopping here itself. See now, logical operators. Logical operators. So how many of you are here who are taken in 11th, 12th electronics? And I hope all have from diploma or any 11th, 12th. Have you learned about the mathematical expressions that your logical and logical or as well as logical not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So same thing here, but just we need to make its code. And what is the syntax we need to learn? And that thing itself is your logical operators. So see. So let me write one line for you, so it will be more clear to you. So these are operators. Okay, remember. And why are they used? Are used to perform logical logical operations. Simple thing written. Okay, by the name itself. And such operations are such as your which or then your and then your not operation. Okay, I hope you all know about or and not. If you are here it is good. If you're not here I will be explaining what are these things. If you are forgotten, yes, no worries, I will be explaining each and everything. So same thing here also, it operates on two boolean values. What do we mean by two boolean values? See here, what are the two boolean values? Can anyone let me know what are the two boolean values? Why I'm telling two boolean values? Anyone? The boolean values are basically true or false, 1 and 0. Okay, and if you have learned this thing and with the example you have seen that if your, let me write here in this way, let me write in this way, for your logical and for your logical and 1, and the syntax is 1 and 1, what will be the output?
1.
So remember in logical and if both the condition true, why I am repeating boolean values? One means you're true and second also one represent true. If both the condition are true, answer will be true. Else it will be 0. What are the else condition? So these are the else condition, that is your 1 and 0, or it can be your 0 and 1, or either it can be 0 and 0. Remember this part. Okay, for logical or means either one condition will be above or both the condition, at least one condition should be true. Remember, at least one condition should be true. And here how, what is the way to remember? A simple way is to remember is that, sorry, the same syntax and the proper way of writing is this, and remember this, and this represent your logical or. If 0 or 0 equal to 0, else condition will be 1. Why 1? You can see by here itself, let me copy this part and let me paste here, let me change this. You can see there is a there is a one, at least one condition true. Here also there is at least one condition true, and here let me change it to 1 and your 1 and let me do it or. So this is the simple thing. Okay, and for logical not any big deal. What is the logical not? Logical not means, and that symbol we are also known. Let me explain this way. What can I write for you here? Logical not, it is basically represent a negation. I hope this thing you have seen. It means opposite, if zero it will be making it 1. So I hope these three operators are clear, and or not. logical and, logical or logical not. I will be explaining with the example. But hope you understand this thing. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
All three operators. Let me write now. Public class logical. I will be explaining all this through a very good code to you, so you can remember how we can represent in a code. So remember here. Let me take this time three variables. I'm taking always two. Now let me take three. N b equal to 20. I will be explaining you through with the condition as well. So you will be getting also idea of a relational operator side by side. See, I am writing something here. System.out.println. See, in that I am writing now my b is greater than a and my c is greater than b. See, I am writing two. I'm printing two lines. You can at that time please let me know the output. If you understand, let me know the output. What will be the output? I'm writing something. Yeah. For the first line, what will be the output? True or false?
True.
Okay.
True.
True.
True. And for second line,
False.
False.
false. Okay. Okay. Now let me check it. Yeah, true and false. Why true? Is B greater than A? Yes, B is greater than A. And C is greater than B. Yes, it is correct. Means both the condition are true. It means our AND operator will be written true. Logical AND. Second condition, B greater than A. B is greater than A. Yeah, it is greater. C less than B. C is less than B. No, it is not. So one condition is false. So we are getting as output false. Very good. It means the simple concept is clear to you. Now let me comment this part. Let me comment, or let me change only one thing for you. Let me copy and comment, and I am doing a simple thing now here. Instead of this I am doing it, or now tell me the output. What will be the output?
True. True.
True, true.
Both true.
Yeah, very good. Why both true? Because one condition is true. As mentioned, this condition was false up to here. Any one condition true, your or will be returning a true thing. Very good. Yeah, very good. Let me comment and move downward. So here we will be seeing a not operator. For not operator, no need to write this much thing. Only writing a simple thing. See now, I am writing A. I can write in this way also. That is your. It will be explaining you the same concept, that is your not. And we have learned in this assignment operator also. You can also remember in this way, because here your not is used. Let me write one thing for you. I will be checking your previous knowledge as well. What will be the output?
False. False.
Okay, false.
First is true.
First is true and second is false.
Okay, same thing. Okay, no worries. Very good. If it is true and false, yeah, very good. It means you properly understand the concept of your both the three logical operators. It is a really simple thing. Now henceforward, anyone asks you how many types of logical operators are there, then what is the answer for it?
Three.
Three types of logical operators. And let me ask you one simple question. If what happens? Suppose where is the and or okay. Suppose I am here checking one condition for you, okay? And the condition is as we have learned the bitwise, okay? As we have learned the bitwise, simple thing I have mentioned here, that also I have explained with the example. 1 and 1 will be your what? Anyone? What will be 1 and 1?
1.
1. Remember this concept, okay? And 1 and 0 will be 1 and 0 will be
Zero.
0. Okay? Remember this part. Remember this part only for now. Remember this part. It will be using in your bitwise and operator. Okay, bitwise operator means I will be uploading, because today we have done with this part, and the next video means today is Thursday, so on Saturday I will be uploading a video. In that I will be explaining with the bitwise operator. In that video you will be learning a bitwise operator. So from next time, there will be no live because of your exams as well as your submission. But yeah, I will be doing my task, and your thing is also the same. You need to do your task and submit your answer through the comment in that format only. Okay, remember this thing. If you want to be eligible for this particular event which is currently going on Korea, if you don't want to be participating, just answer in the comment about the session, and hope you enjoyed that session which will be uploading on the YouTube. Okay, so yeah, today's concept clear, or yes or no? Yes. Okay, good.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I hope all of you enjoyed the session. Was it interesting and helpful for you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good. So please keep on
Yes.
practicing. We will be going in this way only. We will be covering all the basic part, and soon you will be means what we can say in shock when we'll be doing all this part in a proper way with the help of a good example in upcoming lectures. Okay, there will be some examples relating. Slowly we will be going to the if, then your else, then if else, then for while, do while. Simply we'll be practicing more and more questions. And one request to all, side by side, please practice on the platform that is called your hacker rank. Why hacker rank I am telling now? When you are dealing with a hacker rank, there are some basic questions. Okay, if you are practicing 100 questions of Java on a hacker rank, you will be going to be a 5 star. Remember this point. Remember this thing. After hacker rank, we will be moving to the lead code as well as your gigs for gigs. Or if you want to someone want to do go for the computer programming, you can go with CodeChef as well as Code Forces. Okay, but now, as we're in the basic thing, go with the hacker rank. So that was all about the today's session. You can let me know through comment how was the today's session, and if after commenting you can left them it. Good night, and before sleeping, go and revise this all concept and go to sleep. Okay, bye bye. Yeah, thank you to all. Yes, helpful, great, good, good. Whenever your exams complete, please let me know. So we will be again in the back again to our live sessions. And remember, in every week I will be taking a doubt session where you need to come in the meet, you need to join the meet and ask your doubt. Whatever thing I will be uploading on that concept, you need to ask. Any question you tackle during the question which are provided in the YouTube description, you can ask that question as well. No worries. Yeah, great and helpful. Okay, well, as always, it was good. Okay. So, how many of you answering the questions which are provided in the YouTube description? Remember one thing, that are all interview questions. Okay, asked by an interviewer live. You can see the structure of the question. If you don't believe me, go and copy that question and search on interview. Okay, if you don't believe on me, go and copy that question same and check on for which company that questions are asked. Yeah, so that's all. That was all about today. You can leave them in. Good night. Bye bye. Happy learning. Bye bye, Atharva.